So here's the plan.
All right, deal.
Babe, let me go check it out.
Yoink.
Josh?
You guys need to break up like now.
Yes, it's God's plan.
And we're just God's messengers.
What if we don't?
You'll be punished.
Like how? Cut the crap, traitors. You fake it worse than your fake noses.
I'm gonna steal your boyfriend. So what are you gonna do about it?
Like you can?
I can make you disappear.
Patricia, what the heck? We talked it through. Maddie's mine and that jerk's all yours.
I changed my mind.
What the heck?
Hey,
Shut up!
babe, let's shut them up forever.
Yes, princess.